Hi everybody, Mike from Joe's All Right Tractor. So we just got done doing a very common tractor, a Farmall A. They were very well used for your specialty crops, and sometimes your smaller farms would get them for just doing little mowing or whatever. They were a very handy little tractor, especially in cultivating. You could really see nice in front of you. They steer nice and easy. They don't use a whole lot of fuel. They're a nice little tractor. This one here was about average shape. Around in Wisconsin here, a lot of times the noses are banged up pretty bad, so we had to get a different used nose. The fuel tank here, we lined it. That's like about 50% of our restorations, we lined the tanks. The hood, we can get good quality reproduction, so I put a different reproduction hood on. It's a lot of times cheaper just to mess or put a new one on than mess with the old one. The radiator was pretty bad shape. The hot and cold, hot and cold, hot and cold was pretty much made that radiator irreparable. It was junk. So we put a new radiator in, and now it's the starter generator, wire harness, new battery cables, battery, and the switches, and the battery cables and stuff like that, and the wire harness that we all put in new like always. Seat cushion like always, and stuff like that. All in all, the tractor was in pretty decent shape, so it wasn't too bad for our difficult restoration. The only downfall, the motor was had a crack in it, a patch, and that's a very common thing in our northern states where it freezes. Farmers will put water and they forget about it, and they'll crack the block. So when you look at a Farmall A or a B or even a C, you look behind the carburetor. If you see a patch or a crack, that's always kind of when you're looking at to buy one of these girls, look behind the carburetor, and if you see a crack or a patch or something there, they froze the block. So you gotta decide that's something you can put up with, or you might have to replace the block. And this one here, we got a different used block, and we had the engine overhauled. Another common thing on the Farmall A, Bs, and the Cubs with the drop boxes, they like to leak over the period of time. So we put new seals and gaskets in there, and so hopefully we got all the leaks taken care of again on that. So far so good, but the old girls once in a while get a little temperamental. Other than that, we didn't touch the transmission. That's not too bad. She growls a little bit, but that's normal wear and tear, nothing serious at all. But other than that, she's gonna be going home tomorrow, and I'll be sad to see this one go. And the best part of this one is a family heirloom, so she's got a lot of cool, neat old family history behind this one. So one family will be pretty proud of this one when they put her back in the shed. So for your restoration needs, you want any help or you got any questions, you give me a call at 920-894-2134. That's 920-894-2134. You can check out my website, joesautobodytractor.com. That's joesautobodytractor.com. We have a Facebook page, Joe's Auto Body Tractor. Or if you want to look at other videos of tractors that restored over the years, you can check out Joe's Auto Body Tractor on YouTube. That's where I'll be posting this video up. And then also we have the Facebook page, Joe's Auto Body Tractor. Thanks for watching. If you ever need any assistance in your restoration project, please feel free to call.